that one.
Oh yes, it's Bao, god of dumplings. Psst, hey Bao!
Bao!
Look up there, guys. That's the Cronin god, Ninny of the Money.
Hey, Ninny Noggy! He's the god of lightning, I'm the god of thunder. Huge source of inspiration.
That's really good. You should lead with that when you ask him for an arm.
Where are we going to hold this year's orgy?
Is this guy for real?
Honestly, I'm not ready.
Yeah, I'm sure he has a point.
Talking. Who's talking?
These guys.
Cole, shut up!
You have something to say to the group? Let me be the first to say it is an honor and a privilege to be
No, I
here.
can't hear you. Why don't you take the stage?
There's a maniac called the God Butcher who seeks to end us all. His destruction is everywhere, entire planets, realms.
Yeah, woohoo. If that's all, pretty boy, you go back to your seat and you be quiet.
I'm sorry, did you not hear any of what I just said?
Your Highness, whenever you're ready, just tell me.
You go on my signal.
And
Flick too hard, damn it!
The god of thunder. But is not thunder just the sound of lightning?
How the mighty have fallen. My hero, Zeus, afraid.
Now I put your clothes back on! Flick, flick! What is? It's the golden temple of the god.
Is this the purpose of the gods? To hide away in a golden palace like cowards? Maybe we have lost our way.
God!
I'll do my best.
go to give your life.
Now you got my 6.
8 o'clock now. 48.